Bangladesh, a name of possibilities. The morning glow wakes up the nation to usher it with new confidence from dawn to dusk. Time is moving in a journey of brightening. SSG sailed out in its journey in 1994 at Narayanganj with only 5 people. Now, it is a family of more than 5,000 expert workforce. SSG always introduces the best solutions. Combining modern technologies with skilled resources, we create the best quality products. SSG has internationally accredited R&D lab which ensures cutting-edge technology. We are the pioneer company in Bangladesh to set up automatic LED bulbs with CKD circuit assembly line. SSG sets a new standard in the lighting industry with its environment-friendly and world-class products. Let every moment of life be illuminated with Superstar Light. Superstar Electronics, celebrating life. In pursuit of beauty and safety, once there was an import dependency for electrical accessories. We turn your necessities into a panache way of life. Superstar Electrical Accessories was established in 1996 on 82,000 square feet of land at Fatulla in Narayanganj. Adopting latest technologies along with more than 800 trained employees, SSG has been producing all types of electrical accessories with eye-soothing and exquisite designs since its inception. We look for a pleasant and peaceful life. Our minds blow into a mellowing breeze to find serenity. Superstar Fan established its own factory on 64,000 square feet area at SSG Industrial Park in Munshiganj in 2017. We are producing international standard Superstar fans through a well-equipped production line, a consolidated exertion of cutting-edge technology, advanced machineries, expert engineers, and skilled workforce. A wellspring of rejuvenating vitality to propel you for a new beginning. Baghutia, a river-surrounded small village in Manikganj. Nobody could even imagine that electricity would reach such a remote area. Superstar Renewable Energy Limited brought the possibility of lightening up the darkness of a place like Baghutia through establishing the country's largest mini-grid. Now, Chaur Baghutia is lit up with a new hope. SSG Agro is one of the most environment-friendly and healthy aqua agriculture farms in Bangladesh. We use 100% rainwater along with organic feed, maintaining best quality in our organic fish and vegetables cultivation. As a consequence, SSG Agro brings comfort into daily life and igniting healthy living of the next generation as well. With more than 20 awards and recognitions, including the prestigious Stevie Award in Gold category, LEED Award for its contribution towards protecting environment and human health. SSG Center is a lighthouse which illuminates every moment of life through its bright rays. SSG will move forward towards a brighter future. SSG, future is bright.